My father was fearless, he was courageous. At the time of my father's death, he was one of the longest practicing asbestos litigators in the country. He started his career as an insulator, representing his friends and people that he used to work alongside, teaching me to always stand up for those who can't speak for themselves. My brother and I continue that fight.
Our clients have been told they work in a safe place when in fact they did not. And to find out the most difficult way of all, with the diagnosis of cancer, is a very difficult truth to face. It's important for people to know about this, because if we are going to make a change in this country, in this world, it is important that it be done right, and that's where we come in.
My husband was a drywall contractor. He worked from daylight to dark if he had to. My husband had a severe cough, and he kept telling me it was the flu, and I kept telling him to go to the doctor, and he kept ignoring me. Finally, when he went to the doctor, they sent him straight to the hospital. And then the next thing, they were operating on him. The doctor came out of the operating room. That's when he told me that it was mesothelioma and it was fatal. I never thought this would be something we'd be going through, never. He was always lively, always on the go, doing something. I never thought this, never. He hired the attorney because he wanted my daughter and I to be financially safe after he was gone. Chris was always a protector. I definitely feel like they treated me like a family because Chris seemed like a son to me. He's always thinking about how I feel. He was looking out for our benefit. There was someone there, you know. I wasn't alone.
There seems to be no end in sight to people being diagnosed with these asbestos-related diseases. I'm a cancer survivor myself. It was hard on my family, and without support from them, I would have struggled through it. We're here to help them through that process. We want to give them that support, the support that I know that they need.
Because mesothelioma is incurable, most every client who comes to us wants their case to make a difference. They want their tragedy not to be for nothing. They believe and they hope when we bring the case to the community in a jury trial, their community will listen to them, believe them, and agree that something needs to change.
If somebody doesn't make these companies pay, there will never be an end to this suffering. The Madeksho Law Firm wants to be an advocate for working families. We want to protect them and help end the suffering. That will be our legacy.